Welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2020 Yamaha T25. This is remote. We did a new impeller, plugs, oil filter, gear lube, and did come back at 115 PSI on both cylinders. We'll go ahead and fire it up here. Forward. Reverse. Does have tilt and trim. Also on the motor. The rattling is the tank. I got a battery here trying to hold it down, but this corner is unlevel, so it shakes and rattles. Go ahead and shut it off here. Fire it back up. All right, if you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888. or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.